My name is Neil Zhang. I'm the assistant curator for this biennial, working with Philip Tenari, Weshdan, and Shixuan. At the beginning, I'm work mostly because we're remote in China, so me, Shixuan, Phil, and Weshdan were sort of have this brainstorm section about selection of the artists, and then also, how should we frame this biennial. I feel very surreal and cannot believe everything's happening so fast. And also I feel like the audiences here, they're brand new, so those things I think make this biennial very special. The challenge we face, of course, the COVID, because normally when we prepare a biennial, the curators and artists, they have to meet in person and to look at the artworks. But this time, because of all those difficulties, the curatorial team, we have to Zoom with all the artists and select work just by or previous experience or just by intuition. So feeling the stone is actually a maxim, and we have to mention the first half. So crossing the river by feeling the stone. So it's an adventure. It's an exploration. It's to explore something that's new, that's unseen. So for me, I think this phrase is actually a really great, explanation for our situation in Saudi today. The way the work and artists are divided based on 6 sections, and actually we have 6 warehouses in this location, so it's perfectly fit into each section, the warehouses. So every single section, they have a maybe not specific type of art, but every single section they have their own theme, but they all also connected to each other. I wish the viewers, they can take this biennial as opportunity or the starting point to explore art and art history. I mean, I hope everyone can find at least one or a couple pieces they like in this exhibition and start from there to really truly explore the contemporary art. I would say that will be the work by Japanese artist Koki Tanaka. It's called Abstract Family. It's really about community. It's really about this transnational situation we're facing. The work is actually a video installation piece, and he's filming those families, those have multi-national backgrounds family in Japan, and filming them how they fit into Japanese society. This is a biennial for everyone to enjoy.